Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ramika's Diary. Today we're going to be seeing some grammar in CBSE Class 7, Chapter 26, Paragraph Writing. So let's get into the video. In this lesson, we will be writing paragraphs. So a single paragraph is a group of sentences dealing with only one theme or subject. So a single paragraph is a group of sentences. So like when a group of sentences combine, it forms a single paragraph. And a single paragraph only deals with one theme or subject. So it only talks about one thing. The very first sentence tells you what the paragraph is going to be about, and the rest of the paragraph merely explains in more detail. So like the very first sentence, like the first sentence of your paragraph, it tells what the paragraph is going to be about, and then the rest of the paragraph merely explains in more detail. So this is a piece of paper, and let's say I'm going to write my topic in here, then I'm going to start writing. So this is a paragraph. In this paragraph, this first line tells you what the paragraph is going to be about. The rest of it will be the detailed version of the first line. So remember, a paragraph should deal with only one topic. So a paragraph should deal with only one topic. Every sentence in the paragraph should say something about the topic. So here, each sentence should say something about the topic. After writing the paragraph, it should be rechecked to correct all errors. So after you're done writing it, check the spelling, the grammar and stuff. Check it to correct the errors in it. So these are the three important points when you write a paragraph. So first one, a paragraph should deal with only one topic. So only one topic. You should not bring other topics into it. Every sentence in a paragraph should say something about the topic. And after writing the paragraph, it should be rechecked to correct all errors. Now let's see the worksheet. So the first topic, our bazaar. So you had to write about a bazaar in your town. So bazaar is a place where the street is narrow with little shops that sell different items like groceries, fruits, vegetables, chicken, meat, fish, textiles, jewelry, etc. It is really crowded. The shops get open at early morning and closes really late at night. The shopkeeper weighs the items. The shopkeepers scream out what they're selling. In each shop, they have big sacks of their items. Sometimes pollution even happens. It is really noisy and busy all the time. So you have to write about our bazaar. So when you look at this first line, when somebody reads this first line, they will know that you're talking about bazaar. So that's what we saw in here. The very first sentence tells you what the paragraph is going to be about. So then, whenever you write a paragraph, the very first sentence should tell them that what you're talking about in the paragraph. Then the rest is the detailed version of bazaar. So here, we should only talk about bazaar in this paragraph. Every sentence in this paragraph talk about bazaar. After writing your paragraph, check your paragraph to see if there's any mistakes, so fix them. Next topic, the rainbow. Whenever rainbow forms, we always think it's so attractive because we rarely see it. It is really uncommon. It forms when it rains and the sun shines at the same time. It is so beautiful. It has 7 bright colors, which is known as VIBGR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The rainbow is like a semicircle. When rain stops, it starts fading. So in this paragraph, we are talking about rainbow. So when somebody reads the first line of your paragraph, they'll understand that you're talking about rainbow. And this part is the detailed version. So in a paragraph, you should be more specific and detailed about your topic. Next, my dream school. So this is like imaginary writing. So you can write it in any way you want. Use your imagination and be creative. My dream school should have AC everywhere. It should have fluffy and comfy chairs. It should also have soft sofas, pillows, and stuffies to rest during the break time. Everything should have fur, even pencils and desks. Our uniforms should be fuzzy pajamas. The walls should also have fur. I should feel better at school than home. Also, watch a movie every Friday. So Fridays are fun days. So my dream school is a fluffy school. So for this one, you could be as creative as you want. Okay friends, I hope you guys try this at home with me, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.